Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a budget with me as I put together my May budget calendar in my Budget by Paycheck Workbook, which is in the box set by The Budget Mom. I'm going to be using my May booklet to create my calendar, which I will then use to put together my estimated and payday budget for this month. Let me start off by putting in my date dots to show what my days of the week are. I'm going to be using these date dots by Erin Condren that came in a kit. Each month of the year has a different color and it has a designated number of days for each month, but you can use any type of date dots that you may have, and or if you don't have stickers, just write it in. So let's get started. Those are my date dots for the month of May. Now I'm going to, well, before I get started with that, actually, let me share with you what I want to use for my theme for this month. I want to go with like a mermaid theme. This is my birthday month, and so I want to kind of have something a little bit whimsical and playful. I didn't want to go with the traditional balloons. I've done that in the past, so I said, let me go with mermaids. I like them. They're very cute, and hopefully they'll make a nice spread with this. But before I get to decorating, let me actually fill in with my bills, and I'm using these extra box stickers from a weekly planner kit that I received from the Budget Mom. This was for my daily petite planner. As you can see, I actually water damaged them, either me or my daughter, truthfully, but I water damaged them, but I still want to use them. I feel like they have sort of like a tie-dye kind of aqua theme, and if I use them if I decorate with them properly, it should all work out. So I'm going to try to use these. And then I also have some stickers here from my Happy Planner books that just have some holidays for the year, but you can write these in just as well. I have a few more box stickers from another kit that were left over that I plan to use as well. And I also have some aqua water washi. This is like a pearl color washi. Really beautiful, and hopefully will pull together the whole nautical mermaid theme that I have in my mind for this spread. So those are the things that I'm working with. Before I do that though, I like to designate my paydays for the pay period. So let me start by doing that. I'm going to use these little payday flags that I have from Planner Kate for this, and I'm just trying to figure out the right color scheme to use. I think I want to use these hot pink ones. So I have two pay periods. I'm going to put this one by the 14th and also by the 28th. And then I'm going to go back in and fill in my bills for the month. Okay, so those are my regular bills that I need to pay, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in the details for those. Now I have all of my fixed bills in place. I'm going to put in my co-pays for the month for appointments. Those are the medical co-pays I'm expecting for this month. I may have others, but they tend to come in bills now versus having to pay them right away. So I'm going to leave that the way it is. The next thing I want to put in are my Klarna and Afterpay payments. So I know I have quite a few. So I've been shopping like crazy, which is why I'm getting back into my budgeting. Okay, so now I filled in my date dots. I filled in my different payments, my monthly bills, as well as my installment payments. I also have a few things that I want to track on here. I know that my daughter and I normally get our nails done every couple of weeks, so I want to put a notation in for that. All right, so now I filled in all of the things I need to make sure that I allocate for. I want to go back and I don't have amount for a lot of my bills, but I can track that offline and just go back and fill in those amounts later on. So I just want to decorate now. I think I am ready to decorate. That is all of those stickers, which is perfect. And then I just have washi to add. So let me pull out my washi. I love the iridescent pearl in this washi. I'm hoping that it will pick up on all of the other pretty colors in this spread. And I've just started to really make my spreads a little more uniform so that when I go back and look at the different months throughout the year when I finish this box set, that they will feel kind of uniform versus like each one being all over the place. Very, very different. I'll give it a little bit more cohesiveness. So I've started to put this washi strip at the top. I'm wondering, should I do it all the way across? Maybe I won't, because it's pretty thick actually. And I'll put a little bit down here at the bottom. On this side. Like I said, I don't know if the camera really captures the beauty of this particular washi, but it is really, really pretty. To find more things to use it for, but I feel like this spread is definitely appropriate. Now I'm going to have to move this star actually, because I want to put washi on that side as well. Even though I haven't really mapped out whether we're doing summer vacation this year, this puts me in the mood for like water, for the beach. So that's a good thing. I'm going to put that right there. And normally I'd add some kind of phrase. Let me just see if I can find something. If not, I may just leave it like this. I really do like the way that it looks. I'm matching. That is my May budget calendar for this month. It turned out really cute, really chic, and I can't wait to fill in the rest of my details. But hopefully this gave you an idea of how to put together your monthly calendar so that you can track your budget this month. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care.